Okay, now this is what I mean. First of all, let me draw the this is the normal. This is the normal. This is the rectangular prism. Now, for minimum deviation to occur, three things must be done. Number one, now the angle of emergence must equal the angle. So the angle of incidence must equal the angle of emergence, which is you have this ray coming up here, and this is the incident ray. Now you have here to be known as the glancing angle. Glancing angle. And now you have here to be known as the reflected angle. Here is also the glancing angle. Now, when light passes through air to glass, things will change. Now, this first of all, when it's this is the normal, let me make it. It moves towards this normal here. This another new normal. This is n. This is n. This is between glass. Now, this here is refractive index 1. Sorry, refractive angle 1. That's arrow 1 because they said arrow 1, the first arrow 1 must be the same as the second arrow 1. I will show you the second arrow 1 is. She get. So this is the refractive angle. You get. So if this guy moves, it moves away from the normal. You know that one. It moves away from the normal. Let me show the direction. It moves away from the normal. Now, if we should turn this stuff like this stuff now will act like the incident angle. You get. Here will now still be the refractive angle, which is arrow 2. So arrow this and this must be equal. Now if you check, if you bring those two out, they are like alternative angle. Whatever is equal to here must be equal to here. You get. Just like alternative angles. Sorry, alternate angles. You get. So arrow 1 must be the same as arrow 2 for it to occur. She gets. Now light passes through, it hits. Here this is reflected, this is refracted, and here now is known as the this thing, the refractive angle, and here now is known as the no, if it comes like this now, we take here to be the refractive angle, we take here to be the emergent angle. So you get. We take here to be the emergent angle. So you get. So if you check this emergent angle now, if we have to like turn it to here, we will have to take here to be the incident angle. Imagine the light ray was coming like this. So it just means the incident angle must be the same as the emergent angle. You get. So I don't know if you understand. This is the light ray. This is the light ray. It comes like this process. Imagine you put a torchlight here, then the observer is here. It comes like this. Now imagine you are to do it the other way around. This will then be the incident ray. Incident ray. Then it will flow like this. It will move away from the normal. So you are getting me. So this point self will now will be emergent if it's coming like this. So you get. So incident angle must equal emergent angle. Arrow 1 must equal arrow 2. So you get. Then we have that Prism formula, which is n is equals to sine 1 over 2 bracket a plus d minimum over 0.5 or sine 1 over 2a. This for the denominator, a is 60 degrees. So 1 over 2 is sine 30, which is 0.5.